Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're making some flame-grilled brats and smothering them in a homemade cheese sauce, all kicked up with the king of flavor. Let's start by making our homemade cheese sauce. Begin by melting about 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir for about 30 seconds until this becomes a paste. Slowly add in 1 cup of milk and stir constantly until it's fully combined. Now we'll slowly add 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheddar cheese. And don't forget the star of the show, the El Yucateco Habanero and Chiltepin sauce. This is really going to brighten up those flavors and add some kick. Add approximately 1 ounce and stir everything well to fully combine. Now just set this aside and keep it warm on very low heat, because it's time to head outside and flame grill some brats. Use your favorite brand and grill on medium to high heat until fully cooked. Be sure to use a good bun to serve this up. Don't forget the sauteed onions, and of course, drown these out in our delicious homemade cheese sauce. Now this recipe is great for kicking off grilling season or any occasion, so make sure you give it a try and share it with all those people you love. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, remember to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor. And we'll see you on the next one.